Tired of the old chicken recipes? Don't worry, I've got you covered with this very spicy and flavorful Palak Lehsuni chicken powered by Nosh. Hi, I'm Khushi and I'm back here again with another Nosh recipe. So let's not waste any more time and get on to the dish. So now I'll be selecting the dish I'm gonna make today in this tab on the Nosh. So I'm making Palak Lehsuni chicken. So I'll go to the recipes, search for Palak here. I tap on the dish. Now I'm cooking for only two people. So I'll choose two servings and then I go forward. So let's go and prepare the ingredients tray. So I have all the ingredients laid out on the table and with the help of Nosh app, now I'll fill the ingredients tray slot by slot. So let's go with slot number 1. So we have for slot 1 green chilies, then we have cardamom, and then we have cinnamon. So I'm going to put all of them together in the first slot. So next ingredient we have is garlic, around 20 grams of it. I'll put in the first slot. In the second slot, we have the chicken. So let's go forward and put the chicken in the second slot. And now for the third slot, we have spinach. So it's about 65 grams. And then we move on to slot 4. Here also we'll put around 65 grams of spinach only. So as it is palak chicken, so we need to put spinach quite a lot. So for the fifth and the last slot, we have some cashews. Then we have kasturi methi, around half gram. And then we put a little bit of coriander stems. And finally, around 165 grams of tomato. So the ingredient tray is finally ready to put inside Nosh. As the ingredient tray is now set, let's tap the cook button. So now let's check if the water and the oil content is according to the indicated levels. I think it is. So we go forward. A quick check of everything. We are good to go. Checking the camera. Amazing. So in the next 25 minutes, we'll have a very amazing dish coming through. Let's rate my experience. Obviously, 5 stars. Absolutely love, love, and love. Let's start plating now. I have already done the setup. So let's now put the chicken inside the bowl. Looks delicious. Can't wait to dig in. I'm almost done with the plating. Now let's move forward towards the garnishing. I'll put a little bit of cream to add the taste. Now there you have it. Palak Lehsuni chicken. Looks amazing. Now let's get to the best part. The taste test. Let's see how it tastes. It tastes amazing. Oh my god, heavenly I must say. While I hog onto the rest of this, you guys enjoy the video and yes, I will not share it with you guys.